On the morning of Saturday, April 5th, 2025, I originally had planned to go to the Stewartstown Railroad for their Easter train. However, that morning while at work, I received a heads up of empty coal train CSX E703 heading west. I had yet to catch one of the empty coal trains as part of the CSX detours I've been going over for 2 months at the time, and I knew I had to catch it. So I headed up to the Lurgan branch at Pine Road, Mount Holly Springs, where I'd also see a huge intermodal 27A with ES44AC 8067 leading. After these two were caught, later that afternoon on my way home, I caught a third train at Messiah College, another detour CSX M371 mixed freight of 146 cars. It proved out to be quite the morning and day, so sit back and enjoy as I show you three epic westbounds on the Lurgan branch. The adventure began that afternoon at the previously mentioned Mount Holly Springs LG24 Pine Road as NS27 Way, a 2.2-mile long train headed west with ES44AC 8007 on the point. This crossing is the last crossing on the entire Lurgan branch 7 mechanical bell, a western call and Hayes bell. Sounds a little rustic, but it's still there, and I hope to keep getting more videos of it as long as it exists. 25 minutes later, hot on the trail of 27A was the previously mentioned CSX E7030 empty hopper train with CSX ES44H 882 YN3 with epic first generation Nathan K5HL in the lead, with many bread graffiti covered hoppers as well. Note the YN2 AC400 YN59. 159. On my way back home, I stopped at a thrift store in Dillsburg, PA, that I promised my mom for going with me to see the two trains. While she was in the thrift store, I got an update that M371, the mixed freight detour, was getting close to Harrisburg. I thought to myself, what the heck, might as well go for that too. I caught the train on the Lurgan branch at Dillsburg, PA, specifically the town of Granton, PA, Messiah College. CM44H 745 Shiny YN3C lead a 146 car train with a ton of good rolling stock. And with that, I concluded a great day traction on the Lurgan Bridge. Special thanks to the individuals listed for their help with the trains on this day. I couldn't have caught them without them. Thank you for watching and have a great day.